reviewing the world down under.
Hey, g'day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. So here we're going to be unboxing and looking at the DJI Mic Mini transmitter in Arctic White. So as someone who does have a lot of DJI products, I can safely say I have no issues with purchasing anything from them. They always seem to be of the highest quality, they never fail, and they pretty much always just work. So this new mic from DJI is small, and it's safe to say is quite mighty too. The mic transmitter weighs only 10 grams, which makes it probably one of the most comfortable items you can wear, making it quite discreet. As for the specifications, it measures around 26 by 26 millimeters with a height of just under 16 millimeters. As I said, it weighs about 10 grams, but this is excluding the clip magnet. The Bluetooth protocol on this is version 5.3, lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 114 milliamp hours. The maximum charging specification is 5 volts. The approximate charging time for this is around 90 minutes, which does give you an operating time of around 8 hours. This features detail-rich sound. The Micro Mini supports omnidirectional record, which allows you to capture rich audio even in busy outdoor environments like a busy street with a lot of traffic. A single transmitter offers a maximum operating time of 8 hours, giving creators plenty of time to record interviews, do your vlogs, record your concerts, and pretty much so much more. Most of DJI's newest ecosystem features direct connection, and there's no exception with this Mic Mini. The Osmo audio transmitter can connect to the Osmo Action 5 Pro, the Osmo Action 4, or the Osmo Pocket 3 without a receiver, pretty much delivering premium audio without the wired connection. This Mic Mini also features powerful noise cancellation with 2 noise cancellation levels. So the basic is ideal for the quieter indoor settings like I'm sitting in now, while the strong will excel in noisy environments to give you good clear vocals. The DJI Mic Mini features automatic limiting to lower volume if the audio input is too high, preventing clipping and ensuring reliable audio quality in pretty much any setting. So we will unbox this now, have a quick look at what you get inside, the packaging, but it's safe to say this will connect directly to the mobile phone via Bluetooth, and as previously stated, it will connect to the Action 5 Pro, the 4, the Pocket 3 via Osmo Mobile Connect. So, it literally feels like there's nothing in the box. It feels empty. So, according to their specs, an Arctic White transmitter comes with a clip magnet, a transmitter charging dock, USB-C charging cable, a compact carrying pouch, and 2 windscreens. So, here we'll have a look. This is pretty much the same experience as unboxing a drone. It already comes in the case, so. Okay. So this is recommending, I'm assuming it's probably for firmware updates, because this doesn't come with a receiver. This is just the transmitter on its own. But you will pair it to your phone and use the DJI Mimo app to do any firmware upgrades if there's any required. Okay. I've got to say, guys, DJI always seem to excel themselves with their bags and pouches. It's lovely. It's literally such a nice, pretty stylish bag too. Okay, so we'll see what we get inside. So there's 4 little pockets in there. In fact, I will leave the silica gel in there just to keep any moisture out. Okay. Wow. That is tiny. That is really small. There's your little clip, little magnets already on the back. DJI stamped in there as well, nice. It's so light, it's literally, you can't feel it in your hand. Okay, it says there's two of them, but they're very different. So using them for two different scenarios. There's your USB cable. That is USB-A to USB-C. Tiny little dock. Again, it seems pointless, but there's probably nowhere in this to put a USB socket with the technology that's in there and the battery. Yeah. Oh, and it magnetizes too. So there you go. It's quite a solid magnet as well. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to connect it to my phone. I'll just run over to Bluetooth, and then we'll see if we can get it paired up and see if there's any firmware updates available out of the box. Okay, so this does have a connection button right above the power. There we go. So if we hold that, it flashes alternate blue and green. So that's now been put into pairing mode. So it's come up on my phone there, DJI Mic Mini. Okay, so we've got the solid blue light and it's showing connected. So I will now just get the DJI Mimo app, searching for products, Mic Mini. Okay, so it's showing just a little bit less than 50% battery. Shows TX is just a transmitter only. So your TX settings, you've got auto off. When enabled, transmitter will automatically power off in 15 minutes if not being connected to save power. Power button for noise cancellation. When enabled, press power button on the transmitter to reduce noise. And then you have your mic LED. And then we have about device. So it's showing there's a new firmware version. So it's version 01.01.00.56 and it's 1.4 megabytes. It's optimized stability and fixed some known issues. Okay, so we're back. It's showing that the Mini is connected. So we'll just reconnect it now on the Mimo app. There we go. About devices. Okay, so the firmware is updated. Serial number. And that's it. It's connected. It's acting as a microphone for my phone. So I'm just going to quickly plug it in. Don't know if you guys saw in my previous video, but I reviewed the Volta magnetic cable system. So I'll keep one on my desk now with a few of these little pieces. So basically you can just keep that in the back. I've got the Volta cable running up the back. And there we go. It's now charging. So yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out in any way, or if you just wanted to see it, there you go. It's very small, very discreet. I'm going to use it in my next couple of videos. I'll put it on my t-shirt and just see how it comes through on the audio. But yeah, it looks like it's a very tidy little system. The firmware updated very quickly, and it's all up and running. So I'll just leave it charging for a while. And yeah, like I say, I use my Osmo Pocket 3 for recording these videos, so I'll connect it to the Osmo Pocket on my next videos, and we'll see what the audio's like. So yeah, nice, very discreet. So yeah, so thank you very much for watching. If it has encouraged you or helped you in any way with these mics, please hit the like button. It's really going to help my channel grow. I'm continually pushing to bring out more reviews for you, and I really would appreciate a cheeky little subscription if you wouldn't mind as well. So I look forward to speaking to you on the next one, and as I always say, take care of yourselves and don't let life beat you down. Bye bye for now.
Reviewing the world down under.